Okay, I'm going to do number 6 on the horizontal projectile side of the proctor's problem. So this is a completely horizontal. This is the front of the sheet. So number 6, I've got an automobile that's moving fast on a horizontal stretch of land, and he slides off the road into some snow below. So my car is like turning a corner, and it ends up flying off like this, and it's going to fall off the cliff. It says the snow is 43.9 meters below, like that. So that's the vertical distance. And I know that the distance past the edge of the road, that's this here, is my dx, and that's 87.7. My dy is negative that, because it's falling down. Okay? So I've got ay is negative 9.8, and my dy is negative 43.9. If you don't make that negative, you're probably going to get an error in your calculator because you're going to try and take the square root of a negative number. So watch that.
Attention cross-country runners, please meet in the atrium at this time. Cross-country runners, please meet in the atrium.
And in the first part, I'm looking for how long did it take to fall, so I'm trying to find the time. I can use the equation 2 dy over ay. Make sure all of that ends up inside the square root underneath that radical. So square root, and make sure that you're using the square root that's above the squared sign here, not anything else that's got like an x in front of it. 2 times negative 43.9 divided by negative 9.8. And the time is 2.99 seconds. So that's how long it takes to fall. And the second part wants to know how fast was it going when it hit the road. So I'm looking for Vx. Notice I didn't need Vx to figure out how long it takes to fall, because it doesn't matter how fast something's moving horizontally. It's all going to take the same amount of time to hit the ground. Remember, if the ball is dropped and one is launched horizontally, they hit the ground at the same time. That's why there's no Vx in this time equation. How fast was it going when it left the road? I have 2 equations that have Vx in it, this one and this one. And if I have time, I can use the easier one, and I do, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. 87.7 is my Vx, my unknown, times 2.99. And remember, you can do second answer. That is second and then above the negative key down here. And that'll help get you more exact answers. And I get 29.29. Well, I guess 3.3 meters per second.